Good afternoon. It's Mayor Craig Moe coming to you from the Mayor's office at the Laurel Municipal Center. I'd like to start by thanking you, the Laurel community, for working with your city government. You all have done an outstanding job in following the orders, the directives, and guidance from our partners at the state and federal levels of government. Thank you again, and keep up the good work. You are making a difference in reducing the spread. The situation surrounding the COVID-19 is changing rapidly, and we continue to adjust. We have implemented a 90% staff reduction in general government at the Laurel Municipal Center, a 50% staff reduction in the Department of Public Works, while still getting the essential duties done. Laurel Police are at a staffing level to meet the needs of the community and officer safety. We have enhanced our teleworking program to permit staff to work from home, and currently we have over 60 staff members at home. City playground equipment continue to stay closed. All basketball courts are closed in the city. Steve Allen, our emergency manager, continues to monitor and work with the public safety agencies and public health officials at the county, state, and federal levels of government. Steve also continues to coordinate with the city's health officer and follows the guidance from CDC, state, and county public health departments, while the city's contingency plans are followed by all departments. I can't thank our communications department enough. They have done an outstanding job of pushing out the same critical messages and information from the CDC, the Maryland State Health Department, and the Prince George's County Health Department regarding the pandemic. We've taken additional steps to continue our efforts to keep the public updated and prepared during this pandemic. We held our second virtual town hall meeting regarding COVID-19 last Thursday evening. It was a great response from the community, and again, special thanks to our communications department for making this happen and allow the public to participate. I want to thank Governor Hogan and County Executive Alsobrooks for their leadership and transparency during this pandemic. Your government officials are following and enforcing the governor and the county executives and my executive orders, directives, and policies to keep us all safe and to help slow the spread. These orders will be enforced by the Laurel Police Department and the staff at the Department of Fire Marshal and Permit Services, and those in violation will be held accountable. Let me go into the governor's executive order on face coverings. This went into effect on Saturday, April the 18th, 2020 at 7 a.m. And I'm going to read right from the governor's executive order. Use of face coverings. All riders and operators of public transportation are required to wear face coverings, including the operator. All customers over the age of 9 are required to wear face coverings while inside the enclosed area of any retail or food service establishment. Adults customers accompanying children aged 2 through 9 shall use reasonable efforts to cause those children to wear face coverings while inside the enclosed area of any retail establishment or food establishment. All retail establishments shall require staff to wear, and those whose staff shall wear, face coverings while working in areas open to the general public and areas in which interaction with other staff is likely. All food service establishments shall require staff who interact with customers to wear, and those staff shall wear, face coverings while working. Single-use face coverings shall be properly discarded in trash receptacles. Wearing of medical-grade masks satisfies the requirements in this paragraph to wear a face covering, but Marylanders are urged to reserve medical-grade masks for use for health care workers and first responders. I've read that directly from the governor's order. That is on our website if you need clarification or would like to read the entire order. Let me also remind you that we have several new programs that we've started. The Healthcare Gratitude Challenge is on our social media platforms. Let us know if you have a special healthcare worker that you would like to recognize and say thank you. Send us their photo and their name to social media at laurel.md.us. the Chat with the Senior Citizen program. 3 times a week, we will send out reminders for you to call elderly relatives or friends at 7:30 to check on them and to connect with them. We are also asking senior citizens who'd like to get a call on Sunday nights at 7:30 to sign up for the program. We currently have 41 residents taking part in this Sunday call already. If you'd like to volunteer to chat with a senior citizen or know of a senior who could benefit from this program on a weekly call, please leave your name and phone number for us at 725-5300 extension 2110. 301-725-5300 extension 2110. Or you can also send an email to cmjohnson@laurel.md.us. We've also established several telephone hotlines that you can call and ask for questions. You can ask for assistance, and we'll be happy to find you the answer. The first is our Emergency Operations Center at 240-294-1314. Senior Citizen Hotline is 240-517-7974. We have a Business Information Hotline, which is 301-356-3876. And we have a Spanish Information Hotline, which is 240-805-3167. We'll be having our first Mayor and City Council meeting on Monday, April the 27th at 6 p.m., at which time the budget for the FY21 will be introduced. Prior to that meeting will be the work session at 5:30. You can tune in to Laurel TV to watch, and you'll be able to call in to ask questions or make testimony for any ordinance or even the budget bill. I encourage you to follow along with one of the many different platforms that we use in social media for updates and information. A special message to all of the residents of Laurel. Please take 10 minutes of your time to fill out your census form. We're at 49.9% self-response. We want to get 100%, and it's going to require all of us making sure that we fill out that information. Come on, Laurel, fill it out today. We have a long way to go, and it will require all of us working together. And remember to stay home to save lives, because we're all in this together.